Epson PowerLite L630SU review. This short throw beast blew my wall away. Let's be real. Most projectors out there are a total gamble. You try to create a bold display, but end up with dull visuals, clunky setups, and cables that seem to mock your every move. Whether you're running a classroom, pitching a high-stakes project, or curating a killer gallery vibe, your gear should work with you, not against you. But with all the mediocre options on the market, it's easy to feel stuck and fed up. You've spent time and money only to get weak brightness, awkward mounting headaches, and disappointing resolution. It's not just annoying, it's downright demotivating. And then the pressure kicks in. Your deadline looms. The client presentation is in 10 minutes. Your signage screen's a sad pixelated mess. Your boss is giving you that look, and your setup's one sneeze away from total collapse. Every minute you spend wrangling with bad projection is a missed chance to wow your audience or leave a mark. The stress piles up. The burnout is real. One wrong setting and boom, there goes your credibility. What should be an exciting, immersive experience becomes a technical nightmare. You're not just managing a display, you're battling your own equipment. Sound familiar? Enter the Epson PowerLite L630SU short-throw laser projector, aka the productivity savior you didn't know you needed. This bad boy packs 6,000 lumens of vibrant color and white brightness, WUXGA full HD resolution, and can project a whopping 200 inches of crisp, stunning visuals from just a few feet away. Laser-powered, maintenance-free for up to 20,000 hours, and backed by 3 LCD tech for rich, accurate color, it's like unleashing a cinematic cannon into your classroom, gallery, or meeting room. And setup? A breeze. Edge blending, geometric correction, lens shift, Wi-Fi, HDMI, USB, you name it, it's all there. No stress, no sweat, just pure visual domination. Imagine this. Flawless displays, seamless installation, and jaw-dropping clarity that gets people talking. You'll command attention in every room and crush technical difficulties before they even start. Whether you're presenting data, showcasing art, or building a custom simulator experience, the L630SU is your ticket to smoother workflows, sharper focus, and presentations that leave jaws on the floor. Want signage that sings? Training sessions that impress? Visuals that slap? This projector's got your back. Watch the full video breakdown to see it in action. We're talking epic imagery, real-world setups, and why this model just slaps for pros who expect more. Act fast, this projector doesn't stay on shelves long. Trusted by pros in education, retail, digital signage, and simulation, the Epson PowerLite L630SU is a go-to for serious visual impact. Thousands are already transforming dull spaces into dazzling showpieces, and now it's your turn. With Epson's rock-solid reputation and over-the-top performance packed into a sleek, ceiling-mountable machine, this is the upgrade your workflow's been screaming for. Don't settle for fuzzy, flimsy displays. Snag yours now, before it's gone again. Click, grab, and let your visuals speak louder than words.